burglar doesn't dream of scoring a big loot? Too bad safes can be pretty hard to crack. Oh no, this really isn't going to plan. Today is not my day. It's time to congratulate our lucky winners. The $1 million certificate is now yours. Let's give them a round of applause. Wow, I can't believe it.
Whoa.
We're rich. Let me touch it. I am totally speechless. Imagine what we can do now. Wow, there's so much in there. Quick, they need to figure out where to stash it. Don't worry, this safe is uncrackable. Nice, now we can sleep in peace. I think I've come to the right place. Phew, that's a lot of cash. Okay, it's time to relax. I can already smell that money. I need to come up with a scheme. Oh, duh! What kind of robber doesn't have a mask? That's step 1 done. Let's do it. Let's celebrate our luck. We're real millionaires. Whoa, what is happening? What a strange person. Looks like I'm here. Oh,
Yes.
Here they come. Oh, miss, will you be ordering? She's clearly confused. I am so excited. It's too stuffy in here. Do you have a mirror, Chris? Of course. Here you go. Well. What is that? I think we're being followed. Listen, this lady obviously wants something from us. Are you sure? Yes, I think she's after our money. We'll have to teach this rascal a lesson. I have an idea. I've always wanted to go to the Maldives. It's a good thing we bought the tickets, and the plane is about to take off.
Yes.
Hurry up, Chris. We're running late. You're right. The plane won't wait. I think she fell for it. That's it. The coast is clear. My money's waiting for me. Well, it's time. No one can stop me now. Watch out. We can't scare her off. Quiet. We have to take our guests by surprise. All right, it's showtime. Fire! Oh no! What is that? Don't! Turn off the water! What's going on? We are supposed to be at the airport. Okay, time for a change of plans. You don't know who you are messing with yet. That's it. The water's gone. Oh no! What happened? Come on, let's go. You naive girls! You can't handle me! Hey, where are you? I'm coming! Ha! We have been waiting for you! Catch the surprise! Oh no! What the heck? Get it off me! No! I can't see anything! Alright, you asked for it! That's hilarious! That was a great idea! Wait, I got another one! Follow me! This ride's sure to cheer her up. Now let's get out of here. What's the matter? Did you think you'd get rid of me? No chance. Ah! Help! I'm falling! Look at that. Nice ride. That's right. Is it them again? I need to teach them a lesson. Oops, we need to leave. Candy. Awesome. Hurry up! She'll be here soon!
Wow.
She'll fall for this trap for sure! Oh, this tape is so sticky! I think that's it! Let's go! Wait, how do I get through? Take your time! Just be careful! That's it! There's not much left! Oh no! Not now! I'm covered in duct tape! Melissa, what have you done? Our trap! She's coming! Come on! Let's get out of here! I wonder where they are hiding. Phew! Looks like we made it! Get it off me! Quick! Don't worry! I'll clean it up! Stay calm! This is going to be a little unpleasant. Ah! My leg! Silence! I think they're already gone. Ah! got away. What was that? I think it's time to give our guest a real surprise. You're right. She's going to love it. All right, let's do it. We can experiment. That's delicious. What an interesting combination. And it's very dangerous, too. Stir thoroughly. But that's not all. What are you doing, Chris? That's too easy. That's original. That's a dish she'll definitely appreciate. Wow, that's different. Only a few ingredients left. All right, that's it. The treat is ready. Ugh, it smells terrible. I'm gonna be sick. This is what we need. Time for the final touch. Our guest will love it. Now we just have to make a pie out of this mess. Voila! Looks pretty good, right? Yeah, for sure. We did a good job. Where could they be? Wow! What's that smell? I can't wait to find out. We forgot a drink. This is going to be an unforgettable treat. Awesome! Now we're all set. It's time to meet our guest. Oh no! I think I'm stuck. Come on, let's go. What a pie! And I am so hungry. It's delicious. I've never tasted anything like this. Huh? What was that? My stomach? Uh-oh. I have to go to the bathroom. Wait, I can barely even take a step.
No.
I didn't need those stickers anyway. What about some paper? Oh, thank you. It's time to move on to action. Oh, yes. It looks like the game's taking too long. That's perfect. I don't think she'll notice anything. No way. Gotcha, girls. This is the dumbest trap I've ever seen. You can't treat me like this. Whipped cream? What are you up to, Christy? Something very tasty and dirty. Here I come. Enjoy your meal. No, this is too much. Hurry up. Get me a towel. Is that wool? That's it. It's over for you. All right, are you ready? This movie promises to be interesting. Where's that safe? Time to finish this house tour. No, not the spider. Who's there? Oh no, that's awful. Look at her. That's hilarious. Melissa, what's wrong with you? Do you need any help? Come on, I got it. There's the closet. I think I've got it. Help! Help! There's a monster. That's it. I can't take it anymore. That's right. Gotcha. Huh? Oops. What's she doing here? Is that the safe? That's what I was looking for. My money. I'm getting close.
What?
Huh? Painted bills and chocolate coins? This can't be happening! Miss Sue, you're under arrest! You have the right to remain silent!
Oh,
This
no.
way, please! Did you like this story about a heist gone wrong? How would you want to teach this sneaky, cheeky thief a lesson? Let us know in the comments! Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel if you are new. Click on the bell so you don't miss anything from Troom Select.